So guys, ito, nag-start na kami. Nagbubuo na kami ngayon ng team. So, ilan na rin kami ngayon nandito. Ito, si Zed Medina.
Hello, Pres. Good afternoon. My son,
Ito, si Boy.
Biro.
Yes. Ito yung pinakabatang nakilala ko na car enthusiast. Grabe.
Yeah.
So anyways, ito, kasama na rin namin. Tatlo na kami ngayon sa sasakyan. Dalawang blue. There. Tsaka itong red. So, kaya ako nag-start na itong vlog na to is para at least ma-promote din ang club namin. Ngayon, invited kami sa we call this?
Territory hybrid.
Yeah, Territory Hybrid. Launching ng kanilang mga bagong sasakyan na hybrid. Maybe, hopefully, nandun yung bagong Ranger na hybrid din. Hopefully, the Ranger 1. So, tingnan natin. Kasi since na konti lang pinakita dun sa area na mga pinapakita is yung territory. Pero hindi pa natin talaga makita kung ano talaga meron pa dun. Alam naman, isang sasakyan lang ba? Because of territory.
May pasabog.
But let's hope that may mga dagdag pa. Anyway, here's EJ. Yan. Isa yan sa mga makikisig naming mga members na grabe. Last time nga pala, hindi pala ako nagba-vlog noon. Siya yung sumagot ng 100 units o 100 school supplies ng mga bata. So, hope to see you again. Mamaya, papakita namin yung mga mangyayari sa loob.
Sure to visit the registration area and sign up. We also taken at hour 4 and help us.
Mr. Pedro Simos, and he is our new president of Ford. So, what can you say about our group?
Well, today is not about Raptor, but you all know that Raptor has a very special place in my heart. So, thank you all for being part of this amazing community. Keep pushing forward, and I cannot wait to see you guys and maybe go off road all together. So, thank you, and happy to be here with everyone.
Yes, and we're excited, of course, about this new car that you. What can you say about this new cars surrounding us right now?
Well, this is our start of journey in electrification, and we are so excited to be able to bring not one but two at the same time. And again, not just any car, a Mustang Mach-E and the Territory Hybrid. Mustang Mach-E, again, Mustang. It's a Mustang. It's still a Mustang. It's electric, but it's such a great performance. And then the Territory is a vehicle that a lot of the Filipinos love. Now in a hybrid, much more efficient. So if you have the time, stop by, come check the cars, come test drive the Territory, and come and show your love for Ford. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much, Sir Simons.